There's my husband Gino, my mom, and my baby sister Liana. Welcome to Dazzle TV. The agenda for today is we're going to eat lunch first, and then the girls are going to the thrift stores again. And also, Liana got plenty of money gifts from her birthday yesterday, so she's planning to buy a new cover for her iPad. So we're gonna try to look for that at the Grand Gaisano Mall today also. While Gino, after lunch, is gonna head back to the house because of Kalel.
Because of Kalel.
And plus,
I'm gonna be
guys,
the doggy sitter.
doggy sitter, and plus he doesn't like shopping. I guess that's not a secret.
It's not a secret. I don't like shopping.
Wait, what did you order?
I have the beef gyudon and a bottled water.
Yeah, I think I also have a beef gyudon and Sprite.
Sprite. How about you, Liana? What you get?
Kare-kare and Mountain Dew.
Kare-kare and Mountain
Curry and Mountain Dew, and then what did Mom get?
Pork pinaguungan and Mountain Dew.
Pork binogong and Mountain Dew. And the total for our lunch was 851.
851
Yeah,
pesos.
that's about $16 for our lunch today. So
Not
later
bad.
on you can film our lunch so
Yeah.
they can see.
Yes.
Good place here. It's called Ama Ramen.
That's their menu. There's Liana's food, the kare-kare. It does have bagoong, babe.
Yes, we had bagoong or dayok.
Dayok,
here in,
yeah. Aman,
Ramen.
yeah. Oh, there's the beef gyudon.
Gyudon. This is Dazzle and Ice lunch today. The beef gyudon. It's got pickled ginger, lots of onions, over rice, and an egg in the middle.
Yeah, that was good. That's mom's lunch today, guys. Pork pinaguungan.
And we have 4 drinks. The ladies, they have Sprite, 2 Mountain Dew, and I have a bottled water. Our lunch today is 851 for about $16 for lunch for the 4 of us.
Our lunch? The beef
I already
gyudon.
started on mine. I already started on mine.
You did?
I know, I'm hungry.
This is Gino and I's favorite at this restaurant.
The beef gyudon.
Beef gyudon.
Are you gonna eat the pickled ginger? I know you're not a fan. Yeah.
Maybe half.
Alright, you can put whatever you're not gonna eat, I'll eat it. I know you're not a big fan of the ginger.
Yeah. I like it with my throat. And then sibuyas.
I love the ginger. Yeah, I love the onion sauce. It's not the red onion that they use here, I can tell.
Yeah, it's the white.
It's the white.
The white. Yellow white onion. But Liana's kare-kare is so tempting also. Or maybe I'm just matakaw.
The kare-kare here is deconstructed. Separate sauce, separate vegetables, separate pork, and then the bagoong. It's not all together.
Do you like it, yeah? They also gave us ice for our soft drinks. Ano yan din?
It's like powder, chili powder. Little bit spice. Add a little bit of spice.
Us girls are done eating our lunch now, so we're gonna head now to the thrift store. So we're just gonna leave Gino here. After he finished eating his lunch, he's going home. There's mom and Liana. There's Liana. Her Tito JP gave her that bag for her birthday and she really likes it. So thank you, JP. We're just gonna get a tricycle to the Grand Gaisano. So we're gonna try and get a tricycle. Hindi kuya. Ma'am. Yeah, we found Kuya. He's gonna bring us to Grand Gaisano. Gaisano. We found Liana's iPad cover, guys. Are you happy? You found your iPad cover? Yes. Yes, mom. She's our bodyguard for today. There's Liana's new iPad cover. Let's open this one. It's rubberized. There's a spot for her iPad pen right there. Liana's new iPad cover is 650 pesos, and now we are here at our thrift store. Or it's not our thrift store, but we always go here. There's mom and my little sister Liana. We actually found some what do you call this? Prospect. Liana's haul is 460 pesos. Where's your bag? Right there. There's her bag. She bought a bedding, a bed sheet for 180 pesos. She likes it because it doesn't like stars, star print. I got my ukay bag now, And this cost me 790 pesos for 7 pieces of clothing. So I'm a happy ukay goer again today. I really enjoyed our time again here today at this thrift store, ukay store. We're in a tricycle right now going back to Numancia, and it's so hot here, so hot in Galibo, and it's much hotter in our place in Camilla, guys. And there's Liana and Mom. Liana so happy because Mom and I didn't spend 4 hours at the ukay store. I think we only spent 40 minutes, yeah, 40 minutes at the ukay. So she's so happy. At last she's got her new iPad cover. So there's the jeepney terminal also. That's the Department of Education, Division of Aklan, here in Numancia, Aklan, in the Philippines. It's a big building. Bye! So Lian and Ara will stop by here and we're gonna buy what? Vitamins. So we're going straight to the drinks. And there's Miss Liana. We even brought this bag, guys, because I know Liana buys a lot of Vitaboost, and they give you paper bags here, which is good for the environment, but it's hard to carry all the Liana's drinks with a paper bag. So how many Vitaboost? Good, right? Four. Or 3 Vitaboost? Alright. How many mo bumuko? 2?
1.
1? Okay. They have this new machine here outside Camellia Aklan. I think looks like a machine, like ATM machine. Wow. The reason that mom didn't go with us, guys, because she said it's too hot to walk from 7-Eleven to our house. And she's not kidding, it is really hot. That's why Liana and I decided to stop by at 7-Eleven to buy drinks because we're so thirsty. We forgot to buy something to drink after we're done with the ukay-ukay because Mom and Liana went to the Mercury drugstore. And then when I saw them, Mom called a tricycle to take us to the tricycle station to bring us here in Numancia from Calibo. So we weren't able to go back to Barangay Sano and get something to drink like a lemonade. So I was so thirsty and I couldn't wait to get home and found nothing but water because we don't want to stock up on drinks, especially soft drinks, because we don't want Diana to get sick. We want her to drink water as much as she can, but today I think my thirst couldn't be fixed by water alone. I need some juice. What do you think, Liana? Do you agree?
Yeah.
That you need more than water just for today? Me too. Oops. Me too. Are you gonna go walk with me later?
No, I'm gonna rest.
Rest or play with your iPad?
Play with my iPad.
I knew it.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in our next video.